How to mute dial-pad feedback on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute it easy and quick. First, just go to Truecaller and then click on your profile. Now click settings and then scroll down until you find calling, and here we'll find the dial pad feedback. Click on it and now just select silent and go back. It will be saved and you can manage it again, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.